These are the top 4 most important updates that have happened on Shopify in 2022 that you must be aware of if you want to increase your dropshipping sales and your e-commerce sales. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Camille, known as the Ecom King, and in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys all the massive updates that have happened on Shopify in 2022 that are extremely important that you must know and must be aware of if you want to keep up with the current times. Now, these updates range from themes, modern day technology on Shopify, banking systems, and API keys. Now, in the world of business, if you don't keep up with the current technology and time, then you will be left behind and you will suffer. So that's why I can't preach enough on how important it is you guys watch this video in full so you can understand everything that's going on in 2022. And if you have any questions related to any of these topics or anything else, let me know in the comment section below. Now, talking about themes, I'm going to be giving 5 of you lucky subscribers a chance to win a premium paid theme with $60. And all you need to do to enter the giveaway is like the video, leave a comment why you want to win the theme, and once we've hit 2,000 likes, I'll be picking 5 lucky winners. So the first big update that Shopify's released in 2022 are these brand new themes based on the OS 2.0 technology, and they've released 4 themes for completely free, and I'm going to be showing you the theme that I think is the best out of these 4 for dropshippers. So as you guys can see on the screen, I'm on the Shopify themes, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. It's completely free, and these are the in-house Shopify themes, and you can see here there's one brand new theme called Sense, Crave, Craft, and you've also got Dawn. Now, Dawn's been around for ages, but they've just upgraded it. Now, in my opinion, I think Sense, which is this one right here, is going to be the best Shopify theme for completely free for dropshippers that want to build a one-product store. So as you guys can see loaded up on the screen, I've got a demo version of the theme, and they have made this a niche beauty store, but I will be showing you later how you could potentially turn this into a one-product store. Now, the reason why I love this theme so much is because they've gone for a very modern take on basically website design, and this is what people are used to nowadays, and it's got that edgy new modern feel with basically the gradient colors that really stand out to you, and the way it just flows on the screen looks absolutely beautiful. And as you guys can see here, they've got like testimonials, then they've got these scroll over images where you scroll over them, they play like an image, then they've got like these trust icons, which I absolutely love, then they've got basically the different options that you can shop, then they've got this beautiful footer right here with that gradient color. So if I'll show you the mobile version very quickly, you can still see it obtains that beautiful design on the mobile version, and sometimes on the mobile version it's hard to get across the same look on desktop, but you can see it still looks very beautiful and it looks extremely professional, and I think Shopify's over delivered with this theme. If we take a look at the most important part of the theme, which is going to be the product page, check out the upgrades that Shopify's given us for completely free. So you can see they've gone for this brand new design of how the images are going to be placed on the product page, which I think look absolutely amazing. Not just that, but they've now introduced for us for completely free these drop down menus. So you don't need no more apps, you don't need APIs, you can do this completely free now through the theme editor, and it looks so professional, and I'm so happy that they've introduced this on a free theme. They've also now given us a long product page where you can go over the trust badges, you can go over the ingredients, you've got a video on the product page. So as you guys can see, I'm in the theme editor, and I want to quickly show you how I would turn this Sense theme into a one product store for your dropshipping products. So as you guys can see on the left hand side, I've got the different options to turn things on and off and edit them. Then here I've got the actual theme itself. So what I would do with the home landing strip is I would make this the product image right here, then I would go over the product title of what it's actually called, then I would put here a little bit of a short sentence of what the product does and what you want to achieve, and then the shop now button that takes them directly to the actual product page. Then here you've got featured collection, which is basically like different collections that you could shop, but we're going to make this a one product store. So what I would do is I would do top featured or featured features and go over the top features of the product and just make them a simple image. Then here, example product title, this is where you actually want to put the product on the home page for them to shop on. Then here you can put a testimonial of the product, and then here you can actually hide this. So what you might want to do is you might want to turn this off by just clicking the eye icon, and then it will basically disappear. So this section here I would get rid of. Then here I would add some more features. So I'd add some more trust badges of the features with a little symbol of it. And then here at the bottom you got the collection name. You can either add some cross sells here related to the main product, or you can turn this section off. So I do believe the Sense theme is going to be the best theme for completely free for dropshippers in 2022 that don't want to buy a paid theme. But if you do want to paid theme that can take things to the next level at an affordable price, I do recommend the Boom single product theme, and this was featured in my 2021 free course, and it is $60, which isn't too crazy, but it's still affordable. And remember, I'm going to be giving 5 of these themes away to 5 lucky subscribers on this video, so make sure you enter it by liking the video, leaving a comment on why you want to win the theme, and then I'll be picking 5 winners once we hit 2,000 likes. Now, this is a demo of the Boom theme, and I do think it's like the Sense theme, very similar, but it's just a nicer version with animations, and it's got built-in apps built into the theme, so you can do like frequently bought together. So you basically, instead of having to buy all the themes that you need, it's all built into this one theme. So the second important update that Shopify's introduced in 2022 is NFTs on Shopify, and they've just released their beta program that you can apply now for, and I'd recommend that everybody applies, because you must learn how NFTs work if you want to take advantage of the future, because NFTs are going to be staying around and they will be extremely important in 2023, 2024, and in 2022. So for those that don't understand what an NFT is and what it means, I want to give you a quick overview. And an NFT stands for a non-fungible token. Now, how does this work and why is it so important? So an NFT will show you the transparency of ownership of a certain digital asset. So if you're buying a product online and it's from a collection, you can see who's owned it in the past, you can see when it was made, and you can just see everything about that product online, so you know exactly what you're buying. So it's like a deed. So when you buy a house, you receive a deed. So it's extremely important to ownership of digital assets online. As you guys can see on the Shopify website, they've got here, sell NFTs on Shopify, mint, sell your own brand NFTs with Shopify and Shopify payments from your store, join the NFT beta program. And you can see here total NFT sales in Q3 of 2021 in USD. Guys, look at that stat. That is absolutely insane. And that's why you must learn about NFTs and incorporating them with your e-commerce business. So as you guys can see, it goes over make your play with Shopify, and it goes over the good features of what Shopify is going to let you do on their platform with NFTs. Now, I'm going to be showing you an example of what our clothing brand's doing with NFTs, so you guys can see something that you could potentially do yourselves with your own stores. Now, the reason why it's so important that Shopify is doing this is because at the moment, if you want to do NFTs, you have to use websites like OpenSea, and it's just not the same as Shopify. And if you want to get into the e-commerce side of things, Shopify must be the ones that do it, and I'm so happy that they have. And they're going over here just a few examples that you can mint and list them. Minting it basically means releasing it and basically making it. That's what minting means. And then you can see here you can sell it, and you can offer simple claiming. So basically them claiming the deed, making sure that it's theirs. And then it goes over here, the branded experience, going over airdrops, memberships. So they're basically telling you how you can incorporate this in your own e-commerce business. Anyway, let's talk about how NFTs work. Let me show you an example of how we're using it with our clothing brand. And you can see here Solitaire.com is loaded up, and this is a clothing brand that me and my business partner Jordan Nicklin owns, and this is a streetwear fashion brand that's been around since 2017, and everything is made in-house. And as you guys can see on the website, we're selling here some tracksuits, and you can see here we're selling some other stuff. But if you go to the menu, you can see here NFTs, so you can shop NFTs. As soon as you click that button, it will take you to this page here where you can buy one of our NFTs, and one of our NFTs is basically an eagle, and that's like the animal character of our clothing brand, and it's wearing some of the clothes that we're selling. Now, if you want to buy it, you click this link here, and it takes you to OpenSea, and when the user goes on to OpenSea, that's where they can purchase the NFTs that we're going to be listing. Now, as you guys can see there, that's not a smooth process because they have to go from there to there and then on to OpenSea. And OpenSea is quite hard to use as well. It's quite techy to use. So people, as soon as they're going to get onto here, they're going to expect just to click one button and pay for it. And it's just not as simple as that on OpenSea. You have to make a MetaMask. You have to have Ethereum to buy them. But on Shopify, they're going to make it so you can buy them with credit cards and debit cards, which is just going to make life so much easier. If you're wondering where can you get some NFT art made for your store, you can go onto Fiverr and search for NFTs and sort it by seller level 2. And you can see there's loads of people here that can make you brand new, unique NFT designs, and you can work with them. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can check this out. And you're probably also thinking, how can I incorporate NFTs in my e-commerce business? Now, NFTs don't have to have a utility, meaning they don't offer something, but I would recommend that your NFT has a utility. So our NFT lets you buy it, and once you buy it, you get an exclusive range of clothing line that the public won't get unless they're part of an NFT collection. So that's a utility offering them something unique. Let me give you an example of how you can incorporate NFTs with your dropshipping business. So let's say we're selling some makeup products from AliExpress like eyeliner, liners, makeup pens, makeup brushes, and we've got a niche website. Now you can offer NFTs as an upsell, as a cross-sell, going over features that they can get with owning that NFT. So for example, the NFT could literally be some artwork of a woman with makeup on. We're a makeup brand, so why don't we offer NFTs where it shows artwork of people with makeup but as an NFT? And if you buy that for, let's say, $100 or $50 as an NFT, then you get basically membership rewards, like you get discounts on new collections, you get unique products, you're the first to know about new collections, things like that. So the third massive update that Shopify has announced in 2022 is their own banking system, all through Shopify themselves. It's all in-house, and as you guys can see, it's called Shopify Balance. Skip the bank, and you can see here a black Shopify debit card, and you can see the money management account built in for businesses like yours. So instead of having a bank account with the traditional high street banks that don't understand how e-commerce works, that's why Shopify has got into this business, because they're going to be giving you 2% cash back when you spend on marketing like Facebook ads, shipping, or anything that you have to do as an e-commerce business. So they're giving you cash back on what you're going to be doing every single day. And you can earn up to 10% cash back when you hire Shopify experts to build your website or to do anything that you want them to do. And you can unlock exclusive discounts from Google, Facebook as a partner. So let's say they might give you a $100 Facebook ad coupon or a $200 Google ad coupon. So it's absolutely amazing. So the bit that I'm most excited about, and I'm sure you're all excited about, is getting paid way faster, getting your money literally the next day, being able to spend your money literally the next day instead of having to wait 4 to 7 days or even longer. Because Shopify knows exactly what money you've got coming through because of Shopify payments, that's why they can offer you such faster payments instead of your high street banks that don't know what's going on behind the scenes because they don't understand e-commerce and they're not integrated with Shopify. So here it shows you what your traditional banks will offer you, and here it shows what Shopify offers you. Manage your money and your business in one place. No monthly fees, account fees, or transfer fees. Sign up online in minutes without much paperwork. Get paid the next business day. No minimum balance required. Earn up to $2,000 cash back per year, and it's insured eligible up to $250,000, which is absolutely insane because in the UK you're only insured up to £75,000, which is like I think $90,000, and that is complete garbage. So as you guys can see here, an image showing you exactly what this is going to look like in your Shopify dashboard. On the main menu page, you can see under customers, you've got something now called finances. You've got overview, balance, billing, and payouts. And you can see here, it shows you the available amount to spend. And it also shows you how much is pending. And you can also add this to your Apple wallet, which is so cool. The fourth massive important update that Shopify has announced in 2022 are brand new API releases. Now, for those that don't understand how this works, this is basically like the developing side of your Shopify store, the backend, the code, and the HTML. And the reason why this is important, and I'm going to be showing you a few examples now, is because it's going to allow your Shopify store to do way more things automatically behind the scenes. And the people that crush this with companies like WordPress that were just amazing when it comes to APIs, and Shopify's trying to get onto that level of WordPress, which is amazing. And what this can do for you is, an example is you can do now collections using storefront API filtering, which is amazing. This is back behind the scenes working, so you can do type, shirts and tops, vendor, best shops, very peri, so you can sort it by different variations, which is so important. So one of the new APIs that I'm really excited about is the Order Invoice API, and an example of how it will look is here. So when somebody buys something from your shop, you can really make your invoices look amazing through these APIs and give customers a lot more information, and through the back end. So you can now do bulk mutation API error codes, which is great for things that have you got issues. You can also do resources by ID, again, really important. Now, I know a lot of you guys that are watching this will probably think, I don't understand what any of this means. I don't see how this is beneficial to me. I would really recommend that you read the article and you also understand what each topic means by simply Googling what this means and reading an article about it, because in some form of your business career on e-commerce and dropshipping, you're going to eventually use one of these APIs, and you tend to use APIs when you scale a store and you make it more successful. So those are the 4 massive important updates that Shopify are releasing in 2022, and some of them are currently available. And let me know which one's your favorite out of the 4 massive updates, and let me know the reason why it's your favorite, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video.